Hey guys, what's up? I'm SARVESH. Welcome to Let's Code with SARVESH, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a simple animation which will impress your art or animation teacher by making this. So let's start it. So first of all, I would like to give you a simple demo. Then I will start it. Here is the demo. Okay, so here it is how it works, and let's make it. So first of all, you have to open a new turbowrap or scratch window. I'm using turbowrap because it is offline, and yeah, you can use it offline in any of the conditions. First of all, delete the old sprite, and we have to add a backdrop of blue sky 2, and let's add a sprite balloon 1 and ball 1. I mean ball, not balloon. Okay, so you have to choose the ball. Okay, now let's click on balloon and select costumes. Okay, now delete the balloon 1C. Click on balloon 1A and erase the whole balloon. Okay, after you erase it, let's draw a square of black color. Okay, and a circle of red color. Okay, now let's draw a line for partition between it, and let's draw it. Now we have to use a paintbrush of black color. You have to do it very carefully for making it look good, or you will just end up. Okay, and yeah, it is looking like butter. Now we have to erase the balloon wall B fully. Just erase it. Okay, now place the balloon here with the ball. You have to place the ball here. Okay, here. Now let's start with programming, of course. Now let's click on events, and space key is pressed. Click on looks, switch costume to ball A. Switch backdrop to blue sky 2. Okay, before that we have to add another backdrop of your school, your friends, new home, or another one. For the reason you are going to make it, you have to add that one. So let's add. So it should be here. It is. I have saved it by SS. So let's select the old backdrop first. Okay. Click on ball. Switch backdrop to blue sky 2. Now click on events and broadcast message 1. Okay, now click on balloon. When I receive message 1, switch costume to balloon 1A. Okay, after switch the costume, it will directly start gliding. Before gliding it, let's click on motion and select go to x-axis minus 218 and y-axis 63. So I'm telling you number that you can type this number directly and set the values and do this. Okay, so after it goes to values 218 and y-axis 63, we have to glide this to here. X-axis minus, okay, in first we will go to, means it will directly go to x-axis minus 218 and y-axis 63, and when it glides, it will glide for 1 second to x-axis minus 317 and y-axis minus 158. Okay, now place the ball here. X-axis 62, y-axis minus 49, and directly in the corner. Glide was x to x-axis 210 and y-axis minus 156. Okay, now add another 2 blocks. 2. Okay, now set the old value 62 and minus 49. Okay, and minus 31. Okay, now let's see how it is working. Okay, now situate the ball here and glide block. Okay, now we are adding the quantities or the values because the ball will bounce all the same number. Now let's add some sound effects. Click on sound and start sound block. Before that, hear the sound. I like this. Okay, after every glide block you have to press it. Here boing sound is also there, but you should play the pop sound. It is classic and looks and not looks, it is very good. Okay, now after it glides here, now let's click on look. Switch costume to ball. I think I have not customized yet. Okay, now let's customize. Click on ball B. Here is the whole thing up and delete the all remaining things. Okay, simple. Switch costume to ball E and change backdrop to SS. Not now. Yeah, we have to display the message events. Broadcast new message we have to create. Balloon. Okay, balloon should be great. Now let's click on balloon 1 and when I receive balloon, click on looks. Switch costume to balloon on B and switch background to SS. Now let's see how it is working. Okay, the balloon is disappearing but the ball is not. Switch costume to ball B. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so after I erased all things, it didn't erase. Okay, now let's click on control and this screen should be for 4 to 5 seconds. Okay, so let's set value of 4 seconds. Okay, 4 seconds. Now let's see. One, two, three, 4. Okay, it is working now. Let's add a repeat block, or you have to press it again and again. Instead of this, you can use repeat block. Just play it, and it will play continuously. You can also use this in science exhibition models while showing it to guests that welcome to my science exhibition. Welcome to this. Welcome to that. It is my model. I made also an animation for you. You can use these lines. Copyrights. Just do. Okay, now let's add this thing. Okay, so before that, set a value to. I will of course set it to 1000, 2000, 3000, but let's see. Okay, after 2 times it stopped running, and let's set a value of 1 to 2000. This much will be perfect, and yeah, it's done. Okay, don't forget to save it as your project. It should be welcome screen. Okay, so I hope you liked today's video, and don't forget to share and subscribe if you like my video. And if you like, please press the like button below and comment what should I make next, and suggest me. Now also I'm doing some HTML courses, and after I complete it I will teach you to make how to make sites, and also teach you how to program HTML. And yeah, now videos of how to make sites using Google, and many videos are coming soon. Work is going on, and okay, meet you in next video. Till that, bye bye.